Hey guys, what's up? My name's Goldblade, and today I'm going to be talking about Project xCloud. So, Project xCloud is a streaming service for Xbox games that Microsoft has. So, this is the web page right here. Currently, it's just in the preview, beta stage right now. So, if you want to join this, I'm going to show you kind of how you do that and what it's all about. So, there's this link right here, which is the Xbox game streaming Project xCloud page, which I will have down in the description if you want to check it out. And it tells you there's a bunch of different links up here, how to what games are going to be in it, how to participate in it, how to register, any questions you might have. I'm going to give you a quick overview on what is all in this, and then I'm going to show you how to register and actually try to participate in the actual streaming service. So this is what it is and how it works. So xCloud lets you play games on an Android phone or a tablet over Wi-Fi or a mobile network. So as long as you're connected to the internet, you can do this. So for right now, as you see, it's a preview, and you can play over 50 Xbox games. So as they roll out stuff for these tests, they will end up adding more games so that you can actually play more. So if I scroll down here, it's play 50 plus games on your mobile device or tablet. So you do need an Android for this right now. I do not think it works with Apple on this page. So let's just look into this. Testing stream quality console titles from cloud. No waiting for downloads. So one cool thing about this is during the preview, you don't need any of the games, or even you don't need a console. So as long as you have the phone, you should be completely fine, and you have an Xbox Live account. So they'll add more games over time, as they were talking about up above with rolling out more stuff for people to discover and play. So I'm just going to go down here, and if you click on this will show you all the games. So I'm just going to click on that. And as you see here, here's just a few of the games that are currently available. So Ark Survival Evolved, Borderlands, a lot of really cool games in this. Darksiders, Dead by Daylight, DayZ, Dead Island, Dirt, Farming Simulator. There's many games in here. You can check all these out if you want to. Again, I'm going to have a link for this down in the description, so if you want to check out any of these games and try to sign up, try to do that. And yeah, so here's how to participate. First, make sure you have all of the following. So you need an Android device that is version 6.0 greater, and it has to have Bluetooth 4.0 enabled. And then you also need a compatible Xbox controller with Bluetooth. And just to check if your controller is actually compatible for this, there's just a little guide right here that talks about the controllers. So if the plastic is on just the bumper part and on the backside, plastic around the button is connected to the main body of the controller. That is good. But if the plastic surrounds the Xbox controllers and continues down the top, so around the symbol right here, as you can see, it will not work, I don't think. So that means it is not working it's not compatible for this. So as long as you have the correct controller, you should be able to do this. I do have one of the controllers that do work for this, so I will be able to connect and use that. As you can see here, you're going to need 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi mobile data connection, so 10 megabytes down. So what this means is you're going to need to have a decently good download speed, so that you can actually be able to play the games smoothly, because one main problem with streaming games and stuff is when you're connected to the service and you are trying to play the games, you have to be able to get that steady stream of data to be able to actually play the game. Because if you don't have that, the game's going to be choppy. You need button inputs might be dropped, kind of stuff like that. And the Xbox Gaming Stream app. So this is going to be the app that you actually use for playing these games, and that's right here. So this is how to register. Project xCloud is invite only, and you have to have an eligible Android device and a controller to sign up. However, we anticipate many people register for a limited number of spots, and invites may not be sent until 7 months after registration. So this means you might not get it at the moment, but register as soon as possible, and you might be able to join and get the service. So right here, this is the registration link. I'm just going to see if there's anything else on this page, and then they'll email you next steps once you click that register button and do all that. And then this is getting the apps. Once accepted, you can install the app and log in and pair your controller to your device. This is going to be just generally pairing your controller via Bluetooth. If you don't know how to do that, it's kind of like pairing to your Xbox. Hold down that little button that is showing on the controller. Go into your Bluetooth settings and look for Xbox controller or game remote or game controller, and you should be able to connect to it. And then this right here is just talking about once you actually get in and you start playing the games, just giving them feedback on the app and any ways that they can help to improve it for the future. So that makes sense, as it is a preview version, and they are looking for people to test it and try to figure out how it works. So they actually, it looks like they have a Reddit page linked right here. So if you click on that, that will bring you directly to the Reddit page. So yeah, here's the register button, and I'm just going to click register now. Okay, as you see here, here's the registration page. I need to sign into my Microsoft account. So I'm just going to click sign in to sign into the xCloud login page for Microsoft, and so I can sign into my Xbox Live account to hopefully get registered for this. Okay, so I have entered my credentials and I have signed in. Now we are just waiting for this next page to load. Okay, here is the page that we are registered to, and I am actually going to be redacting out my email address just so that I don't have any problems with my account. Even though I do have a secure password on there, I do not want anybody to try to, get into my account and so on. So first we're going to click on the mobile device make, and it is made by Samsung. Country of residence, I'm going to say United States. Model, mine is going to be the Samsung S5. Let's see if they have that on here. They do not, so I'm just going to click other. I'm going to scroll down, enter my postal code, which I am also going to block out for you guys so you cannot see that. Carrier, this is the wireless carrier, and I only have Wi-Fi on mine because I do actually not have a Wi-Fi carrier on this specific phone. I currently own or have a Bluetooth enabled Xbox controller. I'm going to click that. I am selected to participate, and I agree to the terms and service. So you're going to want to read these terms and conditions if you have any questions, but make sure you read these because obviously you have to read the terms and conditions. So I'm just going to click yes, and I would like information, tips, and offers about Xbox. So this is just any other information. I'm just going to click yes on that, and I'm going to click submit. Okay, cool. As we can see here, I have now registered for Project xCloud, and I will be waiting for that email to be sent to me. We have successfully received your information, and a confirm email will be sent. We will get back to you no longer than a couple of months to let you know if you've been selected. Please note we will only be accepting a limited number of participants in the first round, and registration does not guarantee selection. So pretty much this just shows that they will send me an email after a few months, it looks like, and I will hopefully be part of the Project xCloud. And if I am chosen, I will make a video on that, but this is just how to get started and get registered for Project xCloud if you are interested. And once this is out, after this, I'm guessing it will be a paid subscription service, kind of like how they have the Game Pass, where you can sign in and play any games that you own on a Android device, and maybe if they get it working an iOS device in the future. But yeah, so that seems pretty cool because there are a lot of secondhand streaming services, kind of like where you can play games on your phone from Xbox, but this one is actually legit by Xbox and made from them, so it will most likely be more secure and more reliable than some of the other secondhand stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much what I would just wanted to go over for this video. And if you guys want to go and get registered, just follow the steps in this video. And if you liked the video and would like to see more content from me, make sure to hit that like button down below, click subscribe, and definitely hit that bell button so you can see when I upload next. I would love to see you guys come back to my channel and watch some more videos. And yeah, so this is going to be the end of this, and hopefully I'll be able to see you guys at another point. Okay, bye.